This is a Yamaha LLTA. Okay, now I'm going to put the chorus on, which is built into the guitar. So this is with the chorus. You kind of hear it more on the strum. So this is without the chorus. One more time with the chorus. This is without. So what's neat about this, I'm going to unplug this guitar for a second. So no amp, this is acoustically. So if you're standing around the campfire and you want a little chorus, this is not plugged in, this is acoustically. So I turn that off. Now it's just straight acoustic. Again, chorus on. Okay, so there's also a reverb effect, and this is reverb hall. I've got it on full. Turn it off. Remember, I'm not plugged into an amp, it's just the guitar acoustically. So I've just turned that internal system in the guitar off, and this is straight acoustic. That's off. This is on. You could literally be standing outside around the campfire and have this reverb and chorus on your acoustic guitar. Pretty crazy. Besides that, now the guitar is playing perfectly in tune. It's got a compensated nut and a compensated bridge saddle. I'll bring you in quickly to have a look at that. So there's our compensated nut, and these are 11 to 52 at concert pitch. And this is our compensated cantilevered bridge saddle. The top end of the fingerboard did need to be leveled, recrowned, and polished to get that action down where it is now. So we did edge dress this as well. The frets were pretty sharp. It's been all buffed out and it is ready to go. G triad. A, B, C. D, E, F, and back to G.